Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite someone to your team in your account on Cloudflare. So let us guide you through this. So you will need to log into your account on Cloudflare, navigate to the account home section, and next navigate to your team or to your team settings. To do that, click into these three dots here next in your dashboard and select Manage Members. That is going to redirect you to your team members. Click into all members here. So guys, as you can see, I'm currently the only a member of that example account I created for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do is click into invite members here, and after that use that field here to enter the email address of the invitee, and then you may, for example, add permissions here below, for example, for each of these sections, like app performance, overall roles, and so on and so forth. Let me just close that menu here. And once that's done, guys, you will see that invite member button here on the bottom. Right now it is grayed out for me because I haven't entered any invitee email address here, but you will see it here in the bottom right as to send the invitation to your team, or click into cancel to leave the process and return to the members list here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.